Won't it be awesome to see what the end result of your project will actually look like before it even begins? Or simply to have an idea of what exactly you want before working with your interior designer or whoever is carrying on your remodeling project. Maybe you are doing a DIY. I think it's better to have a picture in your head to be able to work with. That way, it makes your work easier for both you and your designer. Today's video is full of inspiration for stylish modular kitchen designs, ranging from small to large kitchen spaces. So stick with me to the end of this video because whether you're in for a kitchen remodel or just gathering inspiration, you definitely will find a couple of them here. These modular kitchen designs highlight beautiful granite, quartzite, marble, and wooden countertops and peninsulas, statement lightings, beautiful statement lightings if I should say, custom cabinets, handcrafted cabinets, and backsplashes to give your kitchen that warm and inviting look you've always wished for. You don't only have to see it on the TV or in a magazine. Now you can create them with your own two hands. And the great thing about this is that you can add or subtract from these design ideas to make them fit your personal styles. We spend time and money creating these to help you, and all we ask of you is to please, please, please share these videos to help another person who is also searching for kitchen design ideas. And for those of you who are into the DIY, we're going to be putting together our best of the best kitchen design ideas and step by step instruction. Our step by step guide is going to be added to that. And then also a free budget sheet to be able to help you plan properly to carry on your DIY project. So we're going to leave the link once that is complete. We're going to leave the link in the description, and we're also going to attach a list of links to some discounted products that we're going to find that will be able to help you in your DIY projects to be able to save some money, because who don't like saving money? I know I do. So we encourage you to sit back, watch this video to the end to gain inspiration, and comment down below your favorite kitchen design. Also, in case you have a DIY project upcoming and you need inspiration, custom inspiration for your design, we encourage you to get in touch with us. Comment down below. recreate your own design as you want it. Add your personal touch to it, or just go ahead, be yourself. I like to encourage people when you're designing. I'm a creative person, so my brain runs wide. I look at designs and gain inspiration, and I like to add my personal touch to it because that way I feel like, yes, this is me. That's how I feel when I'm designing. So I want to encourage you that as you watch these videos for inspiration for your upcoming project, don't just see it as, okay, this person designed this and this is what it has to be. No, you can go ahead and incorporate your own touch, change whatever it is you want to change around, change the colors, change the style, fit things left, take it from right, put them left. But if you need help creating any custom design for your specific project, send us an email. Our email address is down in the description, or just let us know in the comment section, and we'll see how best we can help you out from there. We can brainstorm together with you because it's your project. Remember, you have to be fully ready to work along with us. Help you look for some of these items that are on sale in these stores, and we're going to help you leave the links for online shopping or maybe in store, so you can be able to check them out in case they be a good fit for your project. Feel free to grab them and just say thank you to us down in the comment section. That's all we ask. Please remember to share these videos to help somebody else. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.